Hi, I'm Amanda Parker, an expert bargain hunter and master product reviewer. Today, I present you with exactly what you need, a very special product and quite useful review. I went into great detail in analyzing all its features and outright performance to provide you with highly valuable and interesting information. Upon watching my review, it's up to you to decide if this product suits you or not. Let's go watch the presentation now. Thank you for taking time to watch. As mentioned earlier, I'm your expert bargain hunter and I've just caught a big discount for you. See the description right below.